This is our number 3 video. And here's the machine that we've been working on. And right now we're putting the limit switches in and the home switches. There's one of them, that's the home. That's a limit switch. Right there's home, and there's a limit. And the home for the Y is just up front here and right there. And the limit switch for the X. We're using the Mach 4 CNC breakout board. And it's right here. Everything's wired in, as you can tell, for the home positions and for the limits. And we use the 0 to 24 volts power supply. This is our final stage of all of our hardware. This is the inside, and this is the cover for the power supplies and speed controls. Here's the limit switches. Put a screwdriver next to it and they light right up. Got these limit switches off of Amazon, 3 for $12, and they seem to be okay. Now you can see on the display there's X home lighting up. And now they're the Y for the limit side. And there's the Y home. So sorry about the camera. I'm trying to do everything myself. So it makes it real difficult to hold everything. Now we're going to go to the software. And we're going to seek home. This is Mach 4, by the way. Now the Z's going up. It hits, then it backs off just a little, and then it goes real slow to find home. And then when it does, it backs off 0.25 of an inch. That's the offset I set it because I'm using the same home switch as a limit switch. Now, here's the Y. Hits it, backs off. Now it's going real slow until it hits it again. As soon as it does, it backs off 0.25. Same thing with the X position. Getting closer. Hits home. Now it goes real slow until it seeks home again. And then it backs off 0.25. That's what I have it set out. I hope you've enjoyed watching the different videos I have. All the hardware and everything is totally complete now of the machine. So the rebuild is basically done. Thank you for watching.